To access the Platen roller for replacement, power down the unit. Open the top clamshell and remove the labels. Platen roller is mounted in the front of the unit. There are two small tabs on each side of the Platen roller. You need to pull the tabs out, rotate them 90 degrees, then pull up on the Platen roller. This removes it from the unit. You might have to do that if the Platen roller has to be replaced, and or if you should happen to have a label wrap around the Platen roller. Simply clean the Platen roller with isopropyl alcohol and a rag. To reinstall, simply take your tabs, make sure that they're directly vertical. Push down on the Platen roller to make sure that the gears seat. Take your tabs, flip them back to the rear of the printer, and make sure that they lock underneath the guide table. Reload your labels. Close the clamshell. Apply power. For more technical support or additional troubleshooting hints, contact us at racoindustries.com or 800-446-1991.